In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Jira step by step. If you've ever needed to check your team's boards, review a sprint, or jump into a project quickly, getting into Jira the right way can save you a lot of time. The good news is that in 2026, the login process is pretty straightforward once you know where to start. I'll walk you through how to open the correct page, sign in securely, find the right Jira site, and make future access even faster. First, open your preferred web browser. Then click into the address bar at the top and type id.atlassian.com or your organization's Jira web address if you already know it, and press enter. This takes you to the official Atlassian sign-in page. Starting from the correct page helps avoid confusion and make sure you're entering your details into the proper login portal. When the page loads, look for the field labeled email address. Enter the email connected to your Jira account. If your company uses single sign-on through a provider like Google, Microsoft, or Okta, choose that sign-in option instead. If not, click Continue to move on to the next part of the login process. Next, enter your password in the secure password field and continue. If your organization requires multi-factor authentication, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Open your authentication app on your phone, find the current verification code, enter it into the prompt, and complete the verification step. This extra layer of security helps protect your projects and account access. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main Atlassian dashboard. If your account is connected to more than one organization or site, take a moment to look through the available options and select the correct one. Then click the Jira software tile to open the workspace you need. This is especially helpful if you work across multiple teams or departments. After Jira opens, go to the top navigation bar and select Projects. From there, choose the project you use most often. If you want quicker access in the future, click the star icon next to the project name. That adds it to your favorites so you can return to it faster next time without digging through menus. Finally, do a quick check to make sure everything looks right and that your account is fully loaded. To make future access easier, bookmark the page in your browser by clicking the bookmark icon or using Ctrl+D on Windows or Command+D on Mac. And that's it. You now know how to access Jira, securely sign in, find the right workspace,